Visuals on your screen are of an LPG cylinder blast which has been captured on the camera, and the massive destruction that follows with blaze that can be seen. 800 gas cylinders explode in Karnataka. Initial reports are also showing us that how these around over 800 cylinders were stored in a truck, and the vehicle was gutted soon after. It was completely gutted. Situation though was brought under control, but the visuals on your screen telling their own story. The fire tenders rushed to the spot as well, but you have around 900 gas cylinders is what we're given to understand now, that they were in a truck and they set ablaze. Let me go across to my colleague Nolan Pinto. Nolan, what exactly happened? Can you give us and take us through the sequence of events?
Well, the incident took place in the early hours of the morning, Devina. This is in Chintamani. This is in the Chikbalapura district. Now, what we're told is, while they were actually filling the gas, basically actually transporting the cylinders from the godown onto the trucks, we're not too sure what really sparked this fire. But both those trucks exploded because of the gas cylinders. You're talking about each truck having a capacity to carry 450 gas cylinders. Now, these were parked near the godown. So when the explosion took place, the two trucks, a Bolero Jeep, we are getting information, along with the part of the godown, all exploded. The visuals themselves give us more information. They speak a gory tale of what really happened over there. Now, it did take the fire force personnel some time to douse the flames, but they have brought it under control. No casualties have been reported, but yes, it's not easy, especially when cylinders explode, in order to bring the situation under control.
So, Nolan, you're saying that there has been another incident where a Bolero was also gutted in the flame when these cylinders had exploded, 900 of them being carried in two trucks. And the visuals are also telling the story of how it was a difficult operation, but finally the firefighters were able to bring the blaze under control. Thanks for joining us.